Hey everyone, Shraddha here. So today I'm going to cover a topic that is being requested by three subscribers. So they have messaged me on Instagram. So they are saying that how to refund money from say Instagram or Facebook or say Meta verification. So there is an option to take subscription and got the blue tick on our profile. So I'm mostly focusing on business work. Okay, even we can do it on personal profiles also, but still I'll just talk about business profiles because I have taken subscription for my company. And it's like, so if you have not used meta verification so far, especially for your brand, even if you think that you are making content creation, you are doing content creation, your profile is public, then you can surely do it for your personal account also, and also you can do it for your business account. Okay, so I have taken it for my company, Scale Up Marketing Solutions. We used to provide all sorts of online marketing services. So for first month it's all free, it's worth rupees 6700, but they used to give it for free. See, there are three versions when you buy any premium subscription. Okay, so it's like different pricings are there. So when you are taking for free, you can use any of these three versions. Okay, and the best option is to choose the highest one. That is it shows around 8700 something rupees, but when you are taking it for the first time, it will show you 6700 something. And here you are not at all going to pay anything to them, and they'll just deduct 2 rupees just to make sure that your card is active, or whatever payment method you are using, it's active, and then it will be reflecting back in your account within a few minutes. Okay, so let's just start. I'm telling you how to cancel it. Okay, how to cancel your meta verification. So I have not covered this kind of video, so I'm doing it for the first time, just to create some sort of awareness. If your amount is stuck on meta verification, Instagram verification, Facebook verification, how you can recover it. And even if you have taken freemium or say free premium, then how to cancel it to avoid any sort of transactions without your consent. Okay, just go to your profile photo, right hand side top corner, you can see it right here, just click there. From there you can see payments and subscriptions, click on subscriptions. Okay, here you can see Canva, remove it. Then mid you can see Instagram, you can see 6700 on May 3rd, till it will be say next payment is on May 3rd 2025. Okay, it's April is going on, so today I subscribe for it, and after 1 month I need to make this transaction, but I don't want to do it, so obviously I will be canceling it. If I'll feel that it's required, or through this meta verification I am maybe my company page is growing, we are gaining new audience, then obviously I'll do it, but I will do it from my end whenever I will think to do it, or will think to opt it. Okay, so I'm just going to cancel it. Whenever you take any subscription, I am suggesting you to cancel it, so that you are not at all going to pay any amount in coming month. Okay, and if you feel that in coming month also you want it, so I think it's better if you go there that then and there, and you just make the transaction. So many times, if you feel that yes, you are going to take it on a monthly basis, like every month, and there is no doubt in it, then obviously it's not good if you are canceling it. But if you are doubtful that whether it will create any sort of say benefit for you, or it will bring any sort of benefit for you, if you are doubtful, then it's always better to cancel the subscription and then buy it whenever it is required for your business. Okay, just downside you can see cancel payment, cancel subscription, just clicking there. I'm just saying cost related issues. Okay, then I'm just clicking on, you can see your subscription will be cancelled at the end of your billing period on May 3rd 2025, and you won't be charged anymore. Okay, so yes, I'm just cancelling it, and now I have opted out from this subscription, and when May 3rd will be coming, they won't be able to deduct any amount from my end. Okay, so you can see it right here, you can also do it. So yeah, I just want to talk about this. I hope this video is going to be helpful for many of you. And okay, so now the thing is, suppose if you want to, okay, now if you want any kind of say refund, okay, then what you need to do, just click on the app where you have paid something, go downside, you can see Google Play refund policy, click there. from there you just need to do it all again. Firstly you need to confirm your mail ID, then you can just proceed. You can see request a refund on Google Play. There would be one button, click there, confirm your mail ID. There is some network issue. Okay, let's just try it again. Request a refund. Okay, confirm your mail ID. You can see it right here first, but amount is 0 as it's all free. You can see this. I'm just saying yes. So it's like they'll do it, and if in case they are not at all doing it, so I'll cover another video where you can just get it then and there from Instagram or any like Meta app or say Facebook app itself then and there. Okay, so yeah, I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So yeah, if you like this video, please consider subscribing my channel, and just let me know if you want me to cover any specific topic. I'll just do it for sure. And yeah, just like, comment, share, and yeah, just stay tuned. Bye bye, take care.